I was working with a contractor who was making decent money, landing big projects. So when he reached out to me for help, I wasn't sure what to think. When we looked under the hood of his business, it was a complete mess. No proper systems, no real tracking, just a chaos. I suddenly realized why he was so overwhelmed and needed help. So today we're diving deep into the 6 business systems that separate successful construction companies from those struggling to survive. Hi, I'm Yelizaveta, the founder of Beyond Book Solutions, a remote bookkeeping company for construction business owners like you who want to save time, make more money, and pay yourselves more. So let me continue on my story. Payment processing was his first major problem. He was sending invoices manually, tracking payments in spreadsheets, and constantly chasing down clients for money. In 1 year, he had over 575,000 in outstanding invoices that he could not collect. So we implemented a new payment processing system, and within 90 days, he recovered $462,000 of those funds. Let me break down why these systems are so important. According to recent research, construction companies that implement robust business systems see an average of 53% improvement in project efficiency and 40% reduction in operational costs. Those numbers are huge, and that is a big reason why we're talking systems and processes today. So the first system is payment processing. Most contractors think that payment processing is just about sending invoices, but it's so much more. A truly effective payment processing system integrates multiple technologies and strategies. Cloud-based solutions are changing the game. Modern construction companies are using integrated software that allows real-time tracking of invoices, automated payment reminders, and instant financial reporting. One of my clients implemented a system that reduced their accounts receivable cycle from 60 days to just 22 days. The key elements of a robust payment processing system are automated invoices when applicable. Again, this is always a case-to-case basis since not all projects are on the same. Multiple payment options, real-time financial tracking, integrated accounting software, automated follow-up of outstanding payments, late fee structure, accurate contracts, and deposit requests. So the next system is project management integration. That is where most construction companies completely fall apart. I had another client, Joe, who was running multiple projects simultaneously. He was using text messages, emails, random notebooks to track everything. One miscommunication cost him $50,000 contract when 2 subcontractors showed up at the same time for different parts of the job. Technology is revolutionizing how construction companies manage projects. Cloud-based project management solutions, they are no longer a luxury, they're a necessity. 68% of construction companies now use mobile software for daily field reports. What does true project management integration look like? It means having a single system that connects job site communications, material tracking, labor scheduling, budget monitoring, client communications, and so much more. I worked with a roofing company that implemented a comprehensive project management system. They reduced project delays by 35% and improved communication across all team members. Next one is document management. It is not just about keeping files. It's about protecting your business. One of the clients lost a $50,000 lawsuit because he couldn't produce a critical change order from 6 months earlier. Now, every single document is digitized, tagged, and instantly retrievable. In construction, documentation is everything. Talk about lien waivers. One missed change order, it can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. A robust document management system does more than just store files. It creates a comprehensive project history. Key features of an effective document management system are cloud-based storage, version control, easy search capabilities, mobile accessibility, automatic backup, compliance tracking. The next system is time tracking. It might sound boring, but let me tell you all something crazy. I worked with a roofing company that was losing $3,000 a month just from inaccurate time reporting. Time is literally money in construction. An advanced time tracking system goes beyond simple clock in and clock out. Modern tracking should include GPS verification, track-specific time allocation, real-time reporting, integration with payroll systems, performance analytics. Expense management is where most contractors are bleeding money. I had a client who thought he was tracking expenses perfectly. Turns out he was missing about $3,500 in job-related expenses every single month. That's $42,000 a year of potential tax deductions and profit margin improvements just vanishing. A sophisticated system does more than track receipts. It provides actionable insights. Advanced expense management systems, they offer real-time expense tracking, budget versus actual spending analysis, automated receipt capture, vendor payment integration, predictive spending insights. That brings me to the next system, cash flow forecasting. It's a secret weapon most contractors don't even understand. I had a client who was doing $2 million in year revenue, but was constantly stressed out about money. After implementing a proper cash flow forecasting system, he went from constantly worried to having a 6-month cash reserve. Cash flow isn't just about having money in the bank. It's about really understanding your financial future and making strategic decisions. Advanced cash flow forecasting systems, they would provide you with predictive financial modeling, revenue projection, expense tracking, risk assessment, scenario planning. Let me tell you about Mark, an electrical contractor who implemented all 6 of these systems. His first year, he thought he'd have to work harder to make more money. Instead, he worked smarter and increased his profit by 45% without adding a single new client. The key is integration. These aren't 7 separate systems, they're one interconnected business machine. When Tom, another contractor, first came to me, his business was chaotic. Invoices everywhere, no real tracking, constantly chasing payments. We spent 3 months building these systems and implementing them. 12 months later, he's running a more profitable business with half the stress. He knows exactly where every dollar is coming from, where it's going, and he can predict his cash flow 6 months in advance. So if you're thinking about scaling your construction business, these systems are essential. Listen, if you need help implementing these systems in your business, you can reach out to me. Link is in the description. Let's make sure you are building a business, not just a job. If this is helping you out, hit that like button and subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to break down any of these concepts way deeper. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.